Another physical property of graphite is that it has a high melting and boiling points, and it is insoluble in any solvent. So, graphite has a high melting point, which means that it needs a high temperature in order to melt. And also, it has a high boiling point, which means that it needs high temperature in order to boil. In this figure, you can see the structure of graphite and the layer that it forms. You can see carbon atoms, weak bonds, and also strong bonds. Notice that the weak bonds are between the layers. However, the strong bonds are between carbon atoms. In order for graphite to melt, not only the weak bonds should be broken, but also the strong bonds as well. And this is why it needs a high temperature to melt, and therefore it has a high melting point. Graphite is also insoluble in solvents, so it does not dissolve in any solvent, even water. Graphite is less dense than diamond. What does less dense mean? Well, less dense means that the density of graphite is less than the density of diamond. You can see the large gaps between layers in graphite. However, they are not that large in diamond, and this makes graphite less dense than diamond.